Here we are on the self-guided nature trail at Summit Lake. Yes, I did. Difficult to find this trail. Very windy today and a very weird temperature. The temperature that you explain it to them.
It's too cold for just a shirt, but too warm for a jacket. So
Yep, we're wearing a jacket for some reason. I think mostly because of the wind, probably. At least I think that's my reason. And on the self-guided nature trail, there's a lot of very weird colored birdhouses on this trail. A lot of purple, green, red, and orange. I'm thinking that children made these. I'm gonna throw that guess out there.
I think you're right. It's like a class project.
They really don't seem like they belong on this trail, but I think that the gesture is a good one. Is that still snow on the ground, dude? Right there it is. There's the last of our snow in Indiana. Let's pick it up and carry it around with us. Look at it.
Still melts.
You're getting it, buddy. I got the last snowball in on here you go. You want to get me back? That felt kind of good in my hands.
I wonder if we can
on a day like this.
to make a snowman.
And here's numero uno 1. I don't know exactly what that means on this trail. Oh shit, Levi's gonna get me. Oh, he's making a snowman out of the remaining snow. Okay.
There's a big cat right here, bud.
Oh, look at this. Now this one kind of blends in. It's got a greenish, green with a bluish tint. I like it. Oh, I shouldn't be smacking next to the car. There's Levi. Hang on, let me get a Levi in.
Season's last snowman.
Yes.
Snow midget. He's gonna be melted before Terry gets a picture.
I wonder what's going on there. Alright, let's revert to the phone, man. That handy dandy phone. There we go.
Just a little bit of the reshaping, we can make it a snow penis.
Okay. Here's another post. Oh boy, I don't know what to do.
Another post, aren't you?
And I don't even really understand what they mean when they say I feel like when they say self-guided nature trail, that things should tell you things and guide you. All I know right now is number 2. And all that tells me is this is the place where you can
take it down.
Take it down.
And it's not really self-guided when
number
you have
3
a trail to follow.
Yeah.
That's guiding us.
Number 3. I mean, yeah, that's it. But you know, with nature trail, I just kind of feel like it ought to be.
Yeah.
I mean, what does number 3 mean? I didn't know what that meant.
You don't want to brook about all of the little information for your wild.
Oh, we have a bridge. I like bridges on trails. Kind of makes it seem a little bit civilized compared to other trails that I've been on, but sometimes I like the uncivilized, uncivilizedness. Huh?
Like a log across the river bridge?
Yeah. Oh, there's no number here. I feel like a person should kind of take note of the little bird's nest over there with the cattails.
Kind of a mobile home, the way it sways. There's supposed to be a number here.
Yep.
B49, that looks like a campsite.
Bridge 49, I think. That's what I assumed.
Bridges.
Yeah, I don't know if there's that many bridges here. I don't know where they're. It's the only bridge I've ever seen here. Trail, so that wasn't very long at all. Yeah, this kind of seems like the oh wait. No, I think it's just
Oh yeah, so that's Boy Scouts that made the
pack. So pack 6, thank you pack 6 for your contribution to those very weirdly colored. Oh, that one's nice. It looks like a little bit of a watermelon that's been busted open. That one's really got some character right there. Thank you, pack 6. Stinkfoot. This was made apparently by, y'all see that? Stinkfoot.
Huh.
And I tell you what, he wins. He wins the contest. That's a watermelon, dude. I can tell. I can see what Stinkfoot was trying to do.
And they didn't paint the back of it.
Yeah, but it's a watermelon.
It is a watermelon, I agree.
Watermelon birdhouse by Stinkfoot.
The only thing missing is
good job, guy.
Put some seed in it, Terry.
Yeah. Well, they do make seedless watermelons. And here's the number 9. I think that really indicates. I guess you could go up this way, but because we cut off, but not very much. Number 9.
There's another one up there.
What?
There's another post. Number 10.
Oh well, maybe number 10 is actually the end.